Good day everyone. Today, ang gagawin naman natin ay isang Apple iPad 9.7 or iPad 5th Gen. It's a broken touchscreen, or they call it digitizer. Pero yun na, touchscreen ang problema niya. Ayan, basag po siya. And we will replace it right now. We have the spare. And simulan na po natin. First of all, hindi na po ito masyadong mahirap tanggalin kasi ano na po siya basag na po. So madali na lang tuklapin. Ayan. So i-disassemble natin yung LCD. Ang dahan-dahan. Okay, all 4 screws are removed. Kailangan dahan-dahan lang po yung pagtuklap ng LCD kasi it is more expensive than the digitizer. LCD is removed. And the damaged touchscreen. There you go. We will remove the home button. The original home button is to be removed. Dahan-dahan, baka mapunit ang flex. Slowly. There you go. And it is the replacement touchscreen. We'll remove the home button because it is not the original one. We'll replace it with a genuine home button, the one that we remove on the broken touchscreen. Alright, and we have to test the new digitizer or the touchscreen if it will work. It's working, but we cannot test this because the iPad is disabled. So I think it's gonna work. Powering on. There you go. See, it is disabled. So ano natin matetest? Alright, I think it will work properly. It will work perfectly because the assistive touch is working in every part, in every side of the touch screen. it's working. So we'll power it off. Remove the LCD again. And the touchscreen. Alright. So we will clean side for the residue of the previously used adhesive. Now we will put a double-sided tape. Now we will put back the LCD. You have to clean first the LCD because it's kind of dirty. Ayan, so yung iba siguro hindi na siya matatanggal because it is caused by the damaged touchscreen. Parang scratch na siya eh. So hindi na siya matatanggal. Well, at least yeah, malinis ng konti. Alright. And the brand new touchscreen. To remove the LCD again, and let's put first yung touchscreen. Alright, and the LCD again. Let's put it back. Now the screws. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot the cover. Alright, finally. Let's put the LCD back. And the screws. Ilalapat na po natin. Okay, it's working. Alright. Ito na po yun. Napalitan po natin ng broken touchscreen ang iPad 5th Gen. Okay, ano po siya. And the owner of this ay i-connect niya na lang sa iTunes para mag-activate ulit siya. Okay, please like and subscribe and hit the bell button for more content. Thank you for watching.